welcome back to Pilipinas Got Talent. At syempre, tuloy-tuloy ang ating performance showdown on our 4th semifinals week.
Ang susunod na performer, pangalan pa lang ay pangsikat na.
Yes, mula sa pagkanta sa ating Sunday Mass sa ABS-CBN ngayon, she is one of the very few female semifinalists that we have.
We are talking about Fame. Let's watch this.
Bongga.
Yes na yes.
It's a yes.
Hindi pa rin ako nag-give up. Bigay ito ni Lord, so hindi ko ikakahiya. Once in a while, nagsastruggle tayo. Madaan talaga yung mga ganyan, yung mga challenges. Pero pag meron kang music, na-harmonize lahat. Despite po sa lahat ng mga negativity na nangyari po sa aking buhay, patuloy pa rin po akong maawit at patuloy pa rin cheerful dahil alam ko naman po, I'm very blessed dahil siya po ang nagbigay ng gift na to sa akin.
With a beautiful face and a beautiful voice, idagdag pa ang emosyon na binubuhos niya sa kanyang bawat performance.
Naiintindihan natin ang emosyon kahit di natin naiintindihan ng lyrics. Yan ang tatak niya. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Fame.
That day, the soldiers tried to clear the narrow street, but the crowd pressed in to see this love condemned to die on Calvary. He was bleeding, raw, beating. There were stripes on his back, and he wore the crown of thorns upon his head, and he bore with every step the scorns of those who cried out for his death. Santa Dolorosa, the years free, like a lamb in the Messiah, Christ the King. But he chose to love that love out of his love for you and me. Down the Via Dolorosa, all the way to Calvary. Down the Via Dolorosa, all the way of suffering, like a lamb in the Messiah. He chose to walk that road. And you see, of his love for you and me. Round the Via Dolorosa, all the way to Calvary.
Fame, ladies and
Wow!
gentlemen. Fame.
Your name serves you right, Fame.
One emotional performance.
Here you go, Fame. Are you okay?
Yes.
You alright? And we were talking about when nagper-perform si Fame, talagang nilalabas niya ang emosyon niya.
That's right. Alam niyo po, maraming hindi nakakaalam na breadwinner si Fame sa pamilya niya. At nag-stop siya sa pag-aaral. What do you want to say to your family right now?
Pagbubutihin ko pa po, win or lose. Tsaka po, unang-una po sa lahat, hindi lang naman po yung family po ang umaasa sa akin. Madami po mga umaasa sa akin. Pati po yung mga bata po dyan sa child house na one time po nagkaroon po ako ng time na may imbita po ako sa kanila. At nakita ko po kung gaano po sila naghihirap. Nais ko po silang patulungan sa lahat kasi sobrang kawawa po sila. Malala na po pakiramdam ng mga bata. Meron po akong na-encounter na 2 months. Baby po siya. Tapos hindi po nagsara yung skull niya. Wala pa po akong kayang ibigay kundi ang pagkanta po sa kanila. Sana bahala na po si Lord.
Well, Fame, whatever God deems worthy, it's right.
You're an inspiration to a lot of young kids out there.
How old is Fame?
How old do you think?
19 po.
19.
19. Bakit kinailangan tumigil sa pag-aaral?
Financial problem lang po kasi.
And breadwinner, Susan, ka nag-work ngayon?
Hindi pa perform na po ko sa wedding occasion. Sa simbahan po, ganun po, iniimbita po ako.
Boss? Friendship, ikaw daw.
Habang nagpe-perform ka na speechless ako. Pero sabi ko, pwede kang artista kasi kumakanta ka, maganda ka, umaarte ka habang kumakanta ka.
Thank you po.
And, yun.
I love you.
Thank you too.
Explain mo sa akin, ano yung 2 languages na kinakanta mo? I could understand the English. What is the other one?
Via Dolorosa po.
So, is it Italian?
Latin po yata yun eh.
Wow.
Latin. That's a very hard language to learn.
Lugar po yun before sa Jerusalem.
Okay. Boss?
I wish you'll sing something that we could easily understand. The more we would appreciate your song. However, ang ganda ng boses mo. Ang ganda ng range mo. So, you did well with your song.
Thank you very much, judges. Gusto niyo bang si Fame ang kauna-unahang female grand finalist natin? This is what you have to remember. PGP space, Fame. Like what they said there in the back, it says, God is with you, Fame, okay?
Amen.
PGP space, Fame, F-A-M-E. Sana magtuloy-tuloy ang Fame mo, ha?
Thank you.
No matter what happens, God is definitely with you.
Thank
Good
you.
luck again, and God.
Thank
Good
you.
luck, Fame. We'll see you very, very soon. Yes!